Have you heard of paradise within the paradise? Well, we are in Shola Shack, which is a paradise in itself in God's own country, Kerala. I have with me Rajesh, founder at Shola Shack, and we're going to talk to him about his experience, his journey, and the wonderful experience that we have had over the last 3 days. Hi Rajesh,
Hi Amod,
how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. It's a pleasure to host you and wonderful to have you here.
I mean, the last 3 days we've been here has been absolutely amazing. I mean, we've visited a lot of tourist places and resorts, over weekends. But this was something different. What's so different about Shola Shack?
Basically, we started off ensuring that this is not a regular weekend resort.
Yep.
So that stark difference you immediately felt the moment you came in.
Exactly.
We call it as a do-nothing shelter.
Okay.
You come here, you just do nothing, and you soak in the wilderness.
Oh,
So that
We've
is
done that.
that is our punchline. You come here, soak in the wilderness, and you're amongst the virgin Shola forest here,
Yeah.
and you're at a treetop level, like a tree house.
right.
And basically, this place you just allow nature to have its fun around you.
Oh,
So
awesome.
you are not part of that fun. You just watch the fun.
Exactly. That's a wonderful concept. We've heard the name Shola, and there is slight misconception about the word. I think if you can elaborate on the word Shola.
Yes, coming from where you have come from, which is the northern belt, Shola means Jwala or fire. Actually, Shola is the contribution of Tamil to English.
Okay.
Shola Vanam is Shola forest.
Okay.
And it's found nowhere else in the world except Western Ghats. The geographical name would be tropical montane forest. So, Shola ecosystem is typically broadly divided into two. One is the Shola grasslands, which you find on top of the hills, and wherever there is a water source, you'll have forest running down, and that is the Shola forest.
Okay.
So that's why the name is named after Shola forest, so Shola Shack.
Fantastic. So what can visitors coming here expect at Shola Shack?
Basically, people who come in here can expect raw nature.
Okay.
Raw nature. It's not tiger, it's not elephant, but there is still a war going on out there.
Right.
Among the birds, among the insects, among the frogs, among the snakes.
No.
See, every ecosystem has to have all these things in place, which is the lowermost base of the pyramid.
Indeed.
Tiger and elephant are on top, fine, but all these things are also needed.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we tend to overlook this bottom and only look at the top.
Right.
Here, our conservation efforts is from ground up.
Fantastic. I mean, the number of birds and plants that we've seen, the endangered species, etc., have been absolutely fascinating. So, how do you protect these species?
Well, basically, nature needs no protection. As long as you don't tamper with it or you don't do anything with it, she knows how to heal herself.
Right.
So, when we started off here 7 years ago, we just planted trees. And trees endemic to Western Ghats, and most of them are in the RETs. RETs are rare, endangered, and threatened species.
Okay.
And some of the trees are listed by IUCN, the international body, as critically endangered.
Okay.
Which means the next stage is extinction from Mother Earth.
Oh.
So we have some trees like that, and by virtue of keeping this place wild and nurturing these trees and having the undergrowth in place, different other creatures are coming in, like the birds, and we have certain frogs which are also critically endangered, which call Shola Shack their home.
Oh,
That
wow.
is a major plus for us.
Okay.
And because of the frogs, the snakes are coming in. So it's a complete ecosystem that is
ecosystem
slowly
revamped.
evolving here. Yes.
Fantastic.
Yes.
And we see these beautiful cottages out here. Can you tell something more about them?
Well, basically, we never wanted a cement, concrete, brick, mortar kind of construction. Although it was a Herculean task to shift material here,
Yeah, you can
we
imagine.
made this building completely eco-friendly.
Okay.
We have a steel structure and we have used IGBC rated materials. So it is completely eco-friendly structure that you have here.
Okay, awesome. Now, one important point. Last year in August, we had a major flooding in Kerala.
Yes.
Did it impact the ecosystem and Shola Shack in any way?
Yes, it did. You asked me the question, but I'll add to your question. You said major floods in Kerala. Yes, that was entire Kerala. But for Wayanad, it was a double whammy.
Oh.
Floods with landslides.
Oh,
So we
okay.
were affected by both floods and landslide. In
Oh,
fact, we
dear.
lost a room to a minor slip.
Okay.
Because the stream that runs down,
Okay.
it broke the bank and it just brought some mud down along with it, and it hit against our room, and one room collapsed.
Oh,
And
okay.
luckily, nothing happened to this main structure,
Fantastic.
and we are happy about it. It's safe.
Great, great. So, do you have any message for a potential visitor who wants to visit Shola Shack?
Well, yes, very much. I would love to share what we have here with like-minded people. This place is not for the regular tourist. This is for the exquisite traveler, be it a photographer, wildlife photographer, birder, or a naturalist.
So, I guess this is your next destination. What are we waiting for? Please sign up.
Shola Shack.